Hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
I'm not good.
I'm good.
Morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
Yeah,
morning.
ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Satnam.
Hey, morning, how's
Kirat,
it?
good morning, ma'am.
good morning. Kirat, now your test is scheduled for 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. Yeah,
Having
that
the
works
test,
for me. Yeah.
yes, definitely. We'll be having the test once we'll finish the class. Okay?
Okay. Yeah. Before I do the test, like, could you give me like a little bit insights about the cue card because I'm little worried that I'm gonna stuck while speaking the cue card.
Mm-hmm. So, what difficulties are you facing while planning for the key cow?
Like it's been a long time. Like I was in Canada before, but like right now I'm on vacations in India and I haven't been like speaking much of English here.
Mm-hmm.
So I think like I'm losing that grasp on the English language because
Mm-hmm.
and I am thinking like again starting thinking in my own native language. So I think like it might be a problem because
It
it's been
it
hard for
doesn't
me to create
matter.
the stories.
When are you planning to take the exam?
Mhm.
Once you're back in Canada?
No, right now here in India, like on
No, no.
August 3rd
You are going to take the exam in India or in Canada?
in India.
In India only. Okay.
Yes, like next Monday I have my exam booked.
Uh, the date is
August 3rd.
August 3rd. As I mentioned before, tomorrow is a cue card session.
Yeah.
Please attend the classes from tomorrow. The entire 1 week will be for cue card, different cue cards. Okay.
Yeah.
So are
Yeah.
you ready all? आज का सेशन थोड़ा सा स्पेशल है क्योंकि आज हम फुल स्पीकिंग पार्ट 1 मॉक टेस्ट करने वाले हैं. रिमेंबर ओनली स्पीकिंग पार्ट 1. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द एंटायर स्पीकिंग मॉड्यूल बट जस्ट द पार्ट 1 क्योंकि अभी तक हमने सिर्फ पार्ट 1 ऑफ स्पीकिंग करा है. तो उसी का हम मॉक टेस्ट करेंगे. सो आई रियली वांट टू नो योर एनर्जी लेवल. जो जो टाइप करेगा चैट बॉक्स में अपने एनर्जी लेवल को फ्रॉम 1 to 10, आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम दोस. Because I know that some students will be on mute. I'll try to make Pushpal. Did you join from 2 device? Okay. I know that there are students who are always on mute. They don't want to speak. I don't know why. But please try to speak. Even if you give wrong answers, you will see that how you can improve. Okay. Yes. How's the Josh? Correct, Kiran. So I really want to see that energy level 1 to 10. I want to know who is more energetic today, who is confident, who can speak fluently, and who wants to improve today. Uh-huh. Oh, Harshita, that's great. I really like that confidence.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, you need to be positive all the time. Jodh, why 9? Why 9? I really want you to speak. Are you not
Yes, ma'am.
confident today? Jodh, please mute yourself. Oh, sorry, unmute. No, you need not to be nervous. They are all your friends. Have you seen Ankit being nervous any day? Though he's
Yes,
not
ma'am.
very good at his speaking skills, but he's not nervous. He's always confident when he speak. Am I right, Ankit?
Yes, ma'am. But ma'am, आज ना थोड़ा हेल्थ सही नहीं है ना.
It's okay. It's really okay. Harshit is also 10. Wow. Yes, Jyoth, you have to try. My first question will be for you only. Let's see. Can you all repeat after me that I am confident today?
I'm confident
All
today.
together,
Confident
all
today.
together, all together.
I'm
One,
confident.
two,
Confident
three,
today.
start.
Confident today.
Confidence today.
I can speak fluently.
I
I
can
can
speak
speak
fluently.
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 I will improve today.
I
I
will
will
improve
improve
today.
today.
Improve today.
Now I want all of you to speak together. 3, 2, 1, start.
I'm
I am
confident.
confident
Today.
I will improve
today.
I
today.
will improve
I will
today.
improve my
Yes.
English. I will speak confidently.
Yes. Good. तो आज की क्लास का बहुत ही सिंपल गोल है that you all will be able to speak without any fear. We will be focusing on the improving the fluency plus focusing on the natural flow of our ideas. कोई robotic sound नहीं करेगा, कोई memorized answer नहीं देगा. Plus we will be avoiding the basic mistake. Question को pick नहीं करना. We will paraphrase the question. ये टेक्निक हम अप्लाई करेंगे कि हम सेम सेंटेंस नहीं बोलेंगे. Next thing, we will be focusing that how we can extend our answers. We know the strategy to extend the answer. We will talk about our liking or if we dislike something, reason behind it, and then an extra detail or an example. Right? Remember, it's not about a perfect English, but it's also about your confidence level, your fluency also. AEE सबको पता है ना? What is AEE? Answer, extend, and example or extra detail. So one question will have at least minimum 3 sentences. Good to go?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's start.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's
Yes,
get
ma'am.
started.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's start. So I want to ask. Some people have already raised their hands. Okay. The rest one will be on the mute.
Yes, class.
Nobody will speak in between, please. I'm going to ask one by one. I'm writing the names also. So first one, Nirvigna, please mute. Yes. Jyoth.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to ask two questions. Okay. We will be covering different topics. Now. Remember one thing. You need not to stop suddenly. You have to just continue with your idea. Don't do the self correction every time. ठीक है? अगर आपको लगता है कि आपने कभी कोई ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक किया है बट अगर आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल अच्छा है यू नीड टू कीप ऑन गोइंग. रिमेंबर दिस ट्रिक. Okay, so Jyoth, question for you is, let's talk about the topic friends. Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have a small group of idea close friends. Example, I prefer having a few genuine friends because we understand each other well and always support one another.
Very
We
good.
often study together, go out for food on weekends, uh, and help each other whenever some has a problem. This is why I value quality over quantity in friendship.
I missed the last sentence. That is why. Your voice was low. Okay. Next one. Khushi.
Yes, ma'am.
Khushi, question for you is, how often do you meet your friends?
how often do you meet your friends? Um, I try to meet my friends at least once or twice a month. Everyone has busy schedules, so it's not always easy to find time. However, we make an effort to stay connected. For instance, we often meet on weekends for lunch and spend some quality time together.
Great, great, good. Manisha? What do you usually do with your friends?
Personally speaking, I like to go out with my friends because we always spend lots of time for working only. So we like to enjoy together. We start doing some activities such as playing badminton, and sometimes we like to go out of the city so then view, we can show some nice view and collect some memorable moments.
Good. Satnam?
Yeah, hi.
Yes. Hello. Are friends important in your life?
Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Are friends important in your life?
For sure, friends are one of the important part of our life, and I have
So
a
sorry,
few
not
friends.
our life. They are talking about your
My
life.
life.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So for my life, yeah, all of my friends are important because first of all, I don't have many friends, and those who are like connected to me, um, I just, I don't know,
So
I just wanna be
absolutely,
with
I
them,
may
and
not have a lot of friends, but the few close
Mhm,
friends I have mean a lot to me.
mhm. Okay,
Hmm.
cool. Yeah, although I don't have many friends, but a few friends that I have, they really mean to me.
Mm.
That good?
Mm-hmm. They really mean
What?
a lot to me. Yes. Extend it more.
Yeah, and some. I love to spend some time with my friends, going out when we get spare time. Moreover, they help me advise in daily life. For example, choosing something, and I don't know what else to talk about.
Mm-hmm. Spending time with them always lifts up my mood. They also help me to learn new things and see situations from different perspective.
Okay, cool.
Right. You always need to extend your idea. You cannot speak for only 1 to 2 sentences. Why friends are
Okay,
important
sure.
in your life? You need to add that reason. If your friends are important in your life, the first sentence should always be the direct yes or no. If no, then what
Okay,
is the reason? If yes, then what is the reason? Then add an extra detail or add an example to it. That how your friends are important in your life. They always lifts your mood up, right? Whenever you need any advice, whenever you need any encouragement, they are always supportive. They are always trustworthy. Okay. Next
yep.
one.
Thank you.
Yes. Japsimrit.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. What about you?
I'm good too. Okay, let's talk about a different topic here. Time management. Do you manage your time well? Do you manage your time well?
Yes, I manage my time.
Japsimrit, I really want you to paraphrase the statement, not choosing the same one.
Sorry, ma'am. Can I repeat again?
Yes, try again.
Yes, I think I am quite good at managing my time.
Well
I
done.
usually make a schedule for my daily task and try to follow it. This helps me stay organized and complete my work on time. It also reduces stress.
Wow, very good. It also reduce stress की जगह you can also talk about it. It also really improved on my productivity. ठीक है, instead of just talking about the stress, because आपने organize वाला part already बोल दिया. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
You can even talk about that it also helped me in balancing my work and personal life. So you use the word organize. You can talk about prioritizing my task also. ऐसी vocabulary आप यहाँ पर use कर सकते हो. But it was good. Okay. Next one I can see is Raina. Can you speak? Raina Sayyed. Ramandeep Kaur. Ramandeep Kaur. Ruxana. Ruxana. Saraj.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So question for you is, how do you organize your day?
How do you organize your day?
Organize your day. Yes.
Well, firstly, I wake up early in the morning and I plan. I make a plan for a holiday, and I start with my breakfast and do manage all things at a time. And more.
Yes, you need to extend.
And
It's a very short answer. They're asking about how do you organize your day? कैसे प्लान करते हो? कैसे ऑर्गेनाइज करते हो अपना पूरा दिन? How do you start your day?
Yes,
How do
ma'am.
you end
I'm
your day?
Ruxana here.
Who is speaking in between? Yes. Try again, Saraj.
yes, ma'am. At first, I wake up early in the morning and I make a plan for a day. And usually, first I take a breakfast. After that, I go for my studying and do the study. And after that, I don't have word for next what
What
I
do you
do.
do?
What I should say.
Like you plan,
Yes.
आपका सेम रूटीन है, यू फॉलो द सेम रूटीन, डिफरेंट स्केड्यूल है, मतलब आप कैसे प्लान करते हो अपनी पूरे दिन की जो एक्टिविटीज हैं, कैसे मैनेज करते हो? You wake up early in the morning, you said.
Yes.
Then what you do? You prioritize your tasks, you complete your important task first, then you take short breaks in between, then you try to do everything before the end of the day. कैसे फिनिश करते हो? ऑर्गेनाइज करना मतलब हाउ डू यू प्लान योर डेली रूटीन? ओके, सो यू
Okay,
कैन
ma'am.
टॉक अबाउट योर जो भी आपका डेली टास्क है.
Okay.
Like some people, even I usually start my day with my workout routine. I have a list of tasks which I need to complete. I prioritize the important ones first and try to finish them first. Right? I
Okay,
divide my
ma'am.
day into different time slots. Work ke liye you have different time. Suppose you are exercising, you have different time slot. You have a relaxation, that's a different time slot, which help you also in avoiding that last minute wala stress, and it also helps you in managing your time effectively,
Okay, ma'am.
right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next one.
I'm Ruxana here.
Mazu.
Yes, ma'am.
Rest everyone, please mute yourself. Mazu, question for you is it important to manage time?
Of course, manage time is very important because they are daily right routine. So
Yes. गुड. और क्या बोल सकते हैं हम? क्यों जरूरी है टाइम मैनेज करना? और क्या रीजन है?
the reason is time management is
हम्म.
and time management
हम्म.
improve skill
हम्म.
and फिर से टैकल
फ्यूचर. सॉरी आई मिस्ड आउट. फ्यूचर व्हाट?
हाँ वो बोल रहा कि फिर से ट्राई करें.
आई ओनली हर्ड द वर्ड फ्यूचर. आगे क्या बोला मजू आपने?
अरे मैम मैंने ये बोला है फिर से ट्राई करो तुम.
मजू योर क्वेश्चन इज इट इम्पोर्टेंट टू मैनेज टाइम? आपको लगता है कि मैनेज करना, टाइम मैनेज करना अगर
Of
इम्पोर्टेंट
course,
है? क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है?
yes.
आप जस्ट ऑर्गेनाइज योर थॉट्स. क्यों जरूरी होता है हमारे लिए टाइम मैनेज करना?
Reduce stress,
हाँ, रिड्यूस स्ट्रेस. यस, वेरी गुड.
productivity. For example, my time preparity, I can't prepare for IELTS and speak time with my family.
हम्म. हम्म.
And sometime I playing football with my friend.
हम्म.
And sometime I'm watching movie, TV series.
हम्म.
And it is a help me relaxing and my free schedule time.
यस. तो बस थोड़े से जो एरर्स हैं और जो पॉजेज आ रहे हैं हम उसे इम्प्रूव करेंगे. आइडियाज तो है, ऑर्गेनाइज
हाँ.
करना है बस. एब्सोल्युटली. आई थिंक टाइम मैनेजमेंट इज एसेंशियल. The main reason is it helps us, or it helps me to improve my skills. It helps me to achieve my future goal and reduce my stress. For example, I manage my time so I can prepare for the IELTS exam while also making time to relax and spend some time with my friends and family. ठीक है?
Oh, okay.
अंकित.
Yes ma'am.
Question for you is, did you manage your time well as a child?
Yes, yes, ma'am. I manage my time as a child uh, I sorry, ma'am, because
Start again.
as a child, I manage my time uh, for achieving my future goals and complete my daily basis target for completing my daily basis target or improve my skills.
What were your daily targets when you were a child?
Daily targets, ma'am.
When you were a child, what were your daily targets?
For sorry, ma'am, I didn't hear a question.
So because using the word target is not an appropriate vocabulary. You're talking about as a child.
Okay.
So you should talk about that I was quite organized as a child. I usually follow a daily routine when I was a child. I usually finish my homework before playing with my friends, which also help me in developing a good time management habits. ठीक है? अगर आप बोलोगे daily targets, do you think being a child you talk about daily targets? You can talk about daily task. आप task वो
Yes,
cap use कर सकते हो, but not the target. ठीक है?
okay, ma'am.
Use appropriate vocabulary. Next one.
Okay,
Ramesh Kumar. जय प्रकाश.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning. Question for you is, let's talk about teachers. Do you like your teachers?
Of course,
Mhm.
I like my teacher. Teacher is very important in my life because my teacher helped me education and I improve my our skill.
Can you expand a little more?
My teacher help me everywhere how to improve my student. Everything improve me.
Not to him, how to improve my student. The last sentence is not correct. They are knowledgeable, they are supportive, and they always encourage me to do the best. ठीक है? They play an
Yes, ma'am.
important role in shaping my personality, boosting my confidence. Correct? You need to work little
Yes, ma'am.
more on your vocabulary and sentence formation. Okay, Inder.
Yes, ma'am.
Question for you is, do you prefer strict or friendly teachers?
Oh, I am prefer to friendly teacher because
I
it
am prefer
helps
to
us motivate.
नहीं, I prefer होता है, not I am prefer to. That's wrong.
Okay,
Hmm.
I prefer to a friendly teacher because it they help us they help us to motivated us, and they are supporting, and they can encourage every time. They helps to the help if we can in any bad situation. So who's um,
फिर से फर्स्ट
and
सेंटेंस में prefer to बोला, then help us to motivated बोला. That's wrong.
yes,
I definitely choose friendly teachers. I prefer friendly teachers. आप prefer to क्यों बोल रहे हो? ये तो सेंटेंस ही रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. ठीक है?
yes,
Now, why do you prefer friendly teachers? Because it makes the learning more enjoyable, more effective. They are usually patient, they are encouraging, and they are easy to communicate with. है ना? If your teachers are friendly, you can communicate with them easily. As a result,
yes,
or moreover, students, they feel less nervous, or I feel less nervous, and I motivate to learn. Grammar errors are there
yes,
बहुत. A person with the name of Huda. Can you speak?
Yes, ma'am.
What's your full name?
Huda Hussain.
Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
Okay. So let's talk about handwriting. Do you think handwriting is important?
Yes, I think handwriting is very important because they give a chance to communicate faster and more convenient. And Also, I prefer to take notes, but when I have not much time, I am not write in a good way.
Okay, one thing I want to advise every student, please do not pick up the same sentence. Dekho, I wrote this on the screen. Do you think handwriting is important? Yes, handwriting is important because ऐसा नहीं करना आपको. Please do not use this. बिल्कुल भी मत करो उसे use. Try to just paraphrase your own sentence. ठीक है, हम ट्राई करेंगे कि हम कुछ भी पैराफ्रेजिंग करें द वे यू वांट टू, बट नॉट दिस. Getting this?
Can I try me?
ये
Yes,
लाइन
ma'am.
हम रिपीट नहीं करेंगे किसी भी क्वेश्चन में. डू यू लाइक योर टीचर्स? आई लाइक माई टीचर बिकॉज. दिस इज रियली रॉन्ग वे. Please try to avoid this sentence. Yes, handwriting is important because. ठीक है, ये हम अपने इनिशियल स्कूल डेज में करते थे जब हमें पढ़ाया जाता था कि बिकॉज के बाद आपको अपना आंसर बोलना है. यहाँ पर आपको नहीं बोलना. ठीक है. डू यू थिंक हैंड राइटिंग इज इंपॉर्टेंट? एब्सोल्यूटली. गुड हैंड राइटिंग, इट क्रिएट्स अ पॉजिटिव इंप्रेशन. It also help others to understand what you have written without any difficulty. ठीक है. प्लीज वर्क ऑन दिस पैराफ्रेजिंग पार्ट अगर आपको बैंड 7 अचीव करना है तो. If your target is 7 and above, you should work on this very first statement. अपने आंसर्स में ये चीज डेवलप करना स्टार्ट कर दो. यू विल डेफिनेटली सी अ चेंज इन योर बैंड स्कोर. Next one. Yes.
I had a question here.
Yes, Kiran.
So when you ask, like, do you think handwriting is important? Like, if we compare the handwriting, like, with the new typing thing, so can we include that in our answer and compare, like, it's not important anymore, maybe in the past, because now everybody types
Then
on their
your
computers.
answer, see, Kiran, you can give a no answer also. That's not a point that you always have to talk about only a yes situation. You can talk about no, but you should have a reason plus an explanation. That means an extended answer. No, not really. Nowadays, most communication is done on computers and smartphones. So typing skills are more important than handwriting. You can talk about it.
Okay.
Right? अगर आपने no बोला, you should have a reason to explain. आप yes बोलो तब भी आपके पास रीजन होना चाहिए. अगर आपने no बोला तब भी आपके पास रीजन होना चाहिए to explain it. एग्जामिनर को वो रीजन चाहिए. बिकॉज ओनली दैट इज ओनली द वे यू कैन एक्सटेंड योर आंसर. नहीं तो आप क्या बोलोगे हैंड राइटिंग के बारे में? कोई ऐसे थोड़ी है जो 4-5 लाइनें आपको लिखनी है. हैंड राइटिंग इज दिस, हैंड राइटिंग इज दैट. नहीं.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So next one, Abu Bakar.
Yes, ma'am.
Question for you is, how is your handwriting?
Well, my handwriting is not good because, sorry, ma'am, will I repeat?
You can start in a different way. I would say that my handwriting is average.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Well, my handwriting is average. As you know, nowadays we all students have less use of board and markers, so that's I always one of them. So my handwriting is not well. Instead of my typing speed, because I use regularly in computer and smartphone, so that's why it is a big reason of my handwriting is not good.
So I've given some vocabulary to you all. When you're talking about your handwriting, you can say it's readable. Readable means it's easy to read. Clean and well organized means it's neat. Average means neither very good nor very bad. ठीक है?
Yes.
And you can also talk about it that it could be better also. Not very good, but it is acceptable. Okay,
Is
Elora?
scratchy a right word?
Sorry?
Scratchy. My handwriting is scratchy.
Scratchy भी you can use. There's no problem. ठीक है?
Thank you.
Elora.
Yes, ma'am.
Elora, question for you is, do you prefer typing or writing?
I would like to prefer typing because the reason of that my handwriting is average, so I want to reveal my message to other in a good way, so I prefer typing.
Mm-hmm. Great. So I prefer typing because it's more practical. I would say typing. Instead of just copying the same thing, we will always try to paraphrase. Typing is much more faster also. It's more convenient also. Since most communication in digital these days, right? Abhi kya hai? It's because of the technology we are using the digital mode of communication. So you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
talk about it. Okay. Ruxana, where were you when I was calling your name?
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
Yes.
मैम लेकिन ना
sorry ma'am.
चैटिंग में मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग बहुत होती है तो इसको कैसे वो करेंगे
Sorry. Yes, Harshita.
मैम मैं कह रही थी कि चैटिंग में जैसे आपने पूछा ना कि चैटिंग और राइटिंग में से क्या वो करते हो प्रेफर तो चैटिंग में बहुत मतलब मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग होती है
No, the question is, do you prefer typing or writing? ये बात हो रही है.
अच्छा
कि आपको टाइप करना पसंद है या आपको लिखना पसंद है? क्या पसंद है आपको? ठीक है? तो राइटिंग इज मोस्टली विद पेन एंड पेपर एंड टाइपिंग इज विद योर कंप्यूटर, योर फोन. तो आपको क्या पसंद है दोनों में से? द क्वेश्चन इज दिस: राइटिंग बाय हैंड और टाइपिंग ऑन अ computer, your phone, your laptop. So you have to give that reason. Ruxana?
Yes, ma'am.
Where were you?
Sorry, ma'am. I was on the way. When you was calling me, I tried to unmute, but it was not working.
Okay,
there.
got it. Now let's talk about gifts.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you like giving gifts?
Yes, of course, giving gifts is a very good idea to build relationships. And it also the way of showing love to our loved ones. So it is also our tradition giving gifts on several occasions, especially on birthdays or maybe on wedding, anniversary, like that. So it has
You
been
use the vocab
always,
show love. Instead of showing the love, you can say express my love and appreciation. And do you liking? So you have to talk about yourself. Not we, not people. Okay? So I enjoy giving gifts as it's a thoughtful way to express my love and appreciation. Seeing happiness on someone's face after receiving a gift, it makes us really happy. थोड़ा सा vocab, then you know. देखो जब आपको ये पता लग गया that you are able to generate ideas, you are able to speak for 4 sentences, अब next task would be that you will work on the vocabulary.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. Supreet.
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of gifts do you give?
Gift. To be honest, I like to give books. That I think books that's a good gift. And apart from that, I love to give clothes. Is also a good gift.
Sorry. And also?
Clothes, electronic stuffs.
Can you
Yes.
extend your answer more?
Okay. And recently I gave headphone to my friend and he was very happy. So giving a gift is a good way because it brings happiness to our life.
Now you started with, to be honest, books. I think books are the best gift. So it is one and the same thing. When you say, to be honest,
Okay.
books, you're actually giving the direct answer to the examiner. Then again, if you
Okay.
talk about that books are the best thing, then it is a repetition. You can directly start with, books are my first choice when it comes to giving gifts. अब जब आपने books
Yeah.
का बताया, always add a reason to it. I think they are more valuable
Okay.
than any other gift
Okay.
because they provide knowledge, They provide
Okay, we can
inspiration.
get a knowledge from, yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Then if you're talking about clothes, that is your second idea. Always
Okay.
develop your first response. अगर वो डेवलप होगा,
Okay.
you need not to even talk about the second one. आपको क्लोथ्स एंड बाकी चीजों की बात करने की नीड ही नहीं, बिकॉज आपने फर्स्ट आंसर में ही सब कुछ डिटेल ऐड करा. संदीप कौर.
Yes. Thank you.
No worries.
Yes, ma'am.
Sandeep, question for you. Do you like receiving gifts?
I love.
Oh, संदीप को
I love to.
बहुत पसंद है, हाँ?
I love to give. I love to give and receive gifts because it was a present. A love for everyone. So when I receive a gift, that I was very excited for this, and always I prefer to give a gift to my friends whenever get a chance, like birthday, marriage, anniversary, and more occasion.
बट संदीप, आपको तो रिसीव गिफ्ट के बारे में ज्यादा बताना है, आप तो गिफ्ट के बारे में बता रहे हो. एंड बिकॉज इट वॉज एवरीवन्स, या तो रिसीविंग गिफ्ट का बताना है ना. गिफ्ट थोड़ी रिसीव कर रहे हो जब गिफ्ट, तब आपको कैसा लग रहा है. डू यू लाइक रिसीविंग गिफ्ट? ऑफ कोर्स. रिसीविंग अ सरप्राइज गिफ्ट ऑलवेज मेक मी हैप्पी. Whether it's a book, whether it's a card, or something different, something simple, I truly appreciate the kind of gesture. Asifa?
Yes, ma'am.
Asifa, did you receive gifts as a child?
Definitely. I loved. I was much player when I received gift from my aunt or uncles. Especially my elder aunt give me chocolates. I love to eat chocolates. Ma'am, that's enough.
No, you need to expand more.
Absolutely. I just absolutely. I was much player in childhood when I received chocolates from my aunt, and my elder uncle give me always give us surprise gifts in shape of chocolate candies and butter trays. And now in current day, when I recall my these past childhood gifts like chocolate cakes, butter candies, it revived my childhood's taste and sweetness of sweet memories.
So you started with definitely. Then you can talk about my parents, my aunts. They never miss my birthday. They always surprise me with a thoughtful gift. Those moments are some of my happiest childhood memories. Looking back, I remember I had this and this gift on my birthday or on my special occasion. आप किसी गिफ्ट का एग्जाम्पल भी देकर बता सकते, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
दीपक.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's talk about now public transport. Do you use public transport?
Definitely. I most of the time use public transport whenever I plan to go anywhere or visit any other places which is far than my hometown. Especially whenever I go to travel long distance, I prefer public transport because it's convenient and it's less if it's affordable.
Affordable. It's
affordable, and
convenient, it's
it's
affordable.
convenient, it's affordable,
Hmm.
and it's feel very good while hanging out and conversation with unknown persons in public transport.
Hmm. थोड़ा सा repetition है. You can use lots of vocabulary here when talking about public transportation. It is cost effective. That means it is economical.
Okay.
It is environment friendly also. When you're talking about traveling between your home and to some other place, you can use the word daily commute. Commuting. ठीक है?
ठीक है.
Got it. Navi?
Yes, ma'am.
Question for you is, what type of transport do you use?
Well, it is depend on the route. If the route is too far from my hometown, I prefer public transport because it is affordable and convenient. But if I have to go nearby for my daily use, I will prefer my own vehicle because I can make an option between the shortcuts. That's it.
That's it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it really depends on where I'm going. For longer distances, I usually use metro or some other transportation, while for the shorter trips, I prefer taking a bus or an auto rickshaw, right? I choose whatever is most convenient. It really depends on where I'm going. ठीक है? I don't just stick to one type of transport. I choose different options depending on the distance I'm traveling. Okay, now I'm going to ask Kushal.
Yes, ma'am.
Is public transport good in your city?
I definitely say that public transports are very essential and also very better in my urban areas. Not only that, it helps me to reduce the cost and more affordable and more convenient. Both go hand in hand to give me a better experience while traveling. For instance, I often use the bus transport while I am traveling from one place to another place. It gives me a better
That's it.
better
That's
quality and also
इस
those are
एग्जाम्पल के
eco-friendly.
बाद जब भी बोलने की कोशिश करते हो कुशल, इट लुक्स लाइक अ रिपीटेशन, सो जस्ट स्टॉप हियर, दैट्स इनफ. अब जैसे मोर अफोर्डेबल, मोर कन्वीनियंट बोला, व्हाई टू ऐड दैट वर्ड मोर? इट्स अफोर्डेबल एंड कन्वीनियंट, दैट्स इट. ठीक है? एंड व्हेन यू एडेड योर इंस्टेंस, योर एग्जाम्पल, दैट इज इनफ. उसके बाद आगे एक्सटेंड मत करो. करोगे तो फिर रेपिटेशन आएगा, इसलिए नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. आपने आंसर दिया, उसका रीजन दिया, एग्जाम्पल दिया, क्लियरली डन. इससे ज्यादा बोलना ही नहीं है. ठीक है?
Okay.
आर्यन.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग, हाउ आर यू?
I'm fine, ma'am. I'm glad to hear my name because hands up करते करते हाथ में दर्द हो गया था.
No, I know that there are students who will never raise their hands, but I really want them to speak today. इसीलिए. So question for you is, do you prefer public or private transport?
Yeah, I prefer private transport because it is easy to go from one place to another place, and it depends on transportation. Like for example, on the weekends when I go to my home, so I use public transport, which is very convenient and affordable. Although it's too hard to travel in local trains because they are not too clean, but it's okay.
Firstly, you talked about private, but there was not a good reason added to it. Then you talked about public. So you should begin with both them. If you're talking
Okay, ma'am.
about both, you should mention at the very beginning. You know that?
Okay, ma'am.
Or if you want to talk about only private transport because you mentioned private, I prefer private transport. अगर contradiction करना है, then you need to add a contradictory connector to it. However, I prefer public transport also. It's affordable. But अगर आप private की बात करो, then talk about it's more comfortable. It gives me greater flexibility. I can travel whenever I want to without waiting for any buses or train. Okay? Contradictory
Yeah,
answer नहीं होना चाहिए. Kirat,
Yes, ma'am.
Kirat, question for you. Let's talk about emails now.
Oh, emails.
Do you use
Yes.
emails often?
I think I use it every day. Every time like I have to make any communication to my supervisor or to any company for my personal and the professional news, I prefer to write emails as it is the convenient way of communication for me, as I don't have to wait or hold on long calls. So I prefer using email every day.
That's it. Good. But instead of saying that's the last sentence, do not speak the same sentence जो first sentence.
So how should I end it? Because
You can
I
end
think
with the
like
last
he mentioned.
sentence, but not, it is not a conclusion which you need to repeat every time. ठीक है? I think it's more
Okay.
formal and organized than messaging apps. जो भी आपने last
Okay.
sentence बोला, it's good. Need not to
Okay.
repeat again. Okay. Who is left now? Harshit? Nam, I know. Harshit.
Yes, ma'am.
Harshit, question for you is, what do you use emails for?
Usually I use emails to communicate with the universities that I applied for to study abroad. But other than that, I also use emails to communicate with my university professors of my bachelor's and master's degree. So yeah, for these two purposes, I use emails.
अब आंसर अच्छा है, but you need to plan. I mainly use emails to communicate with my university professors. I send inquiries about the course. थोड़ा सा detail और add कर
Yeah,
दो.
yes, ma'am. Yes,
I
ma'am.
send inquiries about the course, application procedure, and the academic requirements. Since
Yes, ma'am.
email is formal and professional, it's the best way to communicate with my educational institutions. और या फिर आप कैसे start करो? I mostly use emails for my academic purposes. Whenever I need any information about admission, scholarship, or any course detail, I contact my university professors or the admissions office through the
Yes, ma'am.
emails. उससे आपका आंसर पता है, एक रैंडम आंसर नहीं, एक प्लान्ड आंसर होता है. एग्जामिनर को एक सिंगल चांस भी नहीं मिलेगा टू ड्रॉप योर बैंड स्कोर. Yesterday you were asking me ना मैम मैं कैसे 6.5 से 7 पे रीच करूं, so only this way. ठीक है? When you have your ideas, work that how I can plan for band 7 answer instead of band 6 or 6.5. Got
Ma'am, I
it?
tend to like answer only the question. I don't think about the details. I
No,
think
you
this is
have to.
my
You
main
have to.
problem.
What do you use emails for? Your answer was good. आपने बताया आप emails किसके लिए, but the thing is you need to work little bit more on the vocabulary and the sentence structure. जब आपकी vocabulary अच्छी होगी, आपकी sentence structure अच्छा होगा ना, I know this thing that you will definitely simultaneously will be working on your fluency and coherence also. अगर आपके पास vocab है, आप sentence structure सही use कर रहे हो, आपके ideas logical flow में ही होंगे.
Yes, ma'am.
क्या? Harshita?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, you asked the question to Kushal, is public transport good in your city?
Hmm.
So I think he is talking about talked about the importance of public transport in his life.
Hmm.
So is it relevant?
See, the question was, is public transport good in your city? Okay, let me ask you. Can you give me an answer about this?
Ma'am, I think the question is about the situation of public transport in my city
Ha. So
only.
how is it is in your city? It is quite good.
I think
It's quite efficient. The metro is
yes,
fast, clean, reliable. The buses, they connect most part of the city.
yes, ma'am.
So I'm going to give my example. How do I travel in public transport?
Hmm.
That's it,
Okay, okay, okay.
right?
I think
He was
oh,
not
okay,
talking
that
about the general way कि लोग
okay.
क्या करते हैं public transport में. He was talking about his own city का example कि how
Okay.
transportation is in my city. Okay?
Okay, we can talk about in this way also.
Yes, definitely. Public transport कैसा है आपकी सिटी में, ये तो आप बताओगे ना.
Yes,
एक अफोर्डेबल है, कन्वीनियंट है, रिलायबल है, कनेक्टेड है.
sure, ma'am.
हर्षिता,
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Harshita, do you prefer emails or messages?
Ma'am, I prefer messages instead of emails.
नहीं हर्षिता, मुझे ऐसा आंसर नहीं चाहिए. I prefer messages. You have to paraphrase the statement, not the same one.
Okay, ma'am.
कैसे भी change करो. Definitely
I
messages.
I definitely prefer messages
फिर
because
वही
they are quick.
आ गया तो वही I prefer messages और I definitely prefer messages में क्या फर्क है? The only word is definitely.
Okay. I definitely like messages instead of emails because they are quick and convenient. I use messages apps every day to stay in touch with my family and friends and my loved ones. However, I use emails for formal purposes, such as applying for jobs and communicating with companies. So, for everyday communication, I prefer messages, while emails are better for professional situations.
देखो, I wrote an options for you क्योंकि आपने जो दोबारा बोला, I definitely like messages. वो भी it's again, if you're using these phrases again, you'll be stuck to that level only. Messages are my first choice.
Messages.
पढ़ो. I usually choose messages as it is more quick.
More
I
quick and
find
convenient.
messages more convenient.
ma'am.
So there are different ways to start your answer. ठीक है?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Messages are my preferred options.
Preferred options.
Work on this thing. Part 1 में please ये करना start कर दो. अगर आप ऐसे करते हो, definitely it will be helping you out in your writing section also.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है? Who is left now?
मैम
Hmm.
मैम ये पूछना था जैसे कि हम बिकॉज मैम एक बार भी यूज नहीं करना इसमें
ट्राई
जैसे कि
करो
हम
कि
स्पीक
रिप्लेस.
कर
देखो, इट्स ऐसा कहीं पे कोई गाइडलाइन नहीं है स्पीकिंग में कि आपको यूज नहीं करना. अगर आप उसे रिप्लेस करते हो, व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, आई एम टीचिंग यू अ बैंड 7. आई एम नॉट टीचिंग यू बैंड 6 5.5 हियर. अगर आपको 6 लाना है, 5.5 लाना है, आप यूज करो. बट इफ यू वांट टू रीच दैट बैंड 7 वाला लेवल, ट्राई टू रिप्लेस द वर्ड बिकॉज एवरी टाइम. If in the entire test you are using once or twice, it is fine. But अगर आप हर question में ऐसे ही आंसर करोगे, do you use emails often? I use emails because public transport is good in my city because I prefer private transport because. So see, आपको तो लग रहा है कि आप ज्यादा यूज नहीं कर रहे, but the examiner who is actually hearing you, he will notice that how many times you have used that single word, that he doesn't know the paraphrasing, na?
यस मैम
This does not,
मैम और
this
ये
student does not have the flexibility of their ideas. Yes.
मैम और एक ये पूछना था, जैसे कि हम स्पीक कर रहे हैं तो मतलब वो तो नहीं है ना इसमें कि हाँ सिर्फ 2 या 3 लाइन ही बोलनी है, मतलब या ज्यादा, मतलब ऐसा कुछ?
You can speak for 3 to 4 sentences, but this much you need to speak. Your answers should
ओके
not be very short.
ओके
So if you're speaking for minimum 3, you're adding a reason, you're giving a direct answer, reason diya, explain kara. This is what an examiner wants from you.
ओके
ठीक है?
ठीक है।
Okay, now who is
मैम आपने
left?
मैम आपने कहा था कि दो क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी।
क्या हर्षिता?
आपने कहा था कि दो क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगी।
But there are many students, Harshita. I did not got a chance. अगर मैं सबसे दो पूछती तो there will be many students who will be left. And
मैम
there
इससे
are still many students who are left. Okay, Anam. Anam बहुत
मैम
देर पे yes. Anam, question for you is, did you use emails in the past?
no, not at all. I usually use convey the message through my phone. I rarely use my emails, but sometimes when in a formal work, when a formal work, I really sometimes I send a message in a schools because my daughter is a student. So in some I really use email just for in a school or for instance. Few days ago I sent an emails in embassy because I missed my appointment. So that the main reasons I use email.
अनम ये really really word को replace करो हर sentence में really really really.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है? No, not much भी बोल सकते हो, but हर word के साथ I really really it's not a good thing. ये बहुत repetition हो
Okay,
जाता है. ठीक
okay,
है?
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. साक्षी. Sakshi, question for you is, what is your favorite color?
I mostly prefer a purple and sky blue color because this color favorite.
Reason
And
for
the,
purple and sky blue?
one of one of the reason it's sky blue. It's sky of the sky of the re and purple is good for the clothes. It's luxurious clothes to wear. That color it's really looks beautiful. That is the reason.
Your voice is very low. Sakshi, I'm not able to hear you.
मैम हमें भी नहीं सुन रहा है।
So if I have to choose colors, I would pick purple and sky blue. I find them visually appealing. They make me feel relaxed whenever I see them. These colors are simple yet beautiful. I think they suit my personality. Okay, one person who has raised the hand but did not got a chance, Muskan.
Yes, ma'am.
Muskan, do colors affect your mood?
Hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
Do colors affect your mood?
Absolutely. Colors are effect on my moods. For example, a very glittery color is the most affected, and very uh, whenever I uh, whenever I see dark color and glittery color, so I feel very irritating for me.
So I believe your question is, do colors affect your mood? If you think absolutely, you can. If you think no, then also you can add a reason. If you believe yes to some extent, you can also give your reason, but you should have a reason added to it. Okay? Always. Now, when they're talking about affecting the mood, you can talk about influencing my emotions, my mood. Bright colors, cheerful color, light shades, vibrant colors, positive energy, pleasant atmosphere. You can use all these vocabulary when you're talking about the colors. Always choose a topic specific vocabulary whenever you're talking. जब भी कोई भी task आ जाए, work on this कि we always have a vocabulary. Some students, they did very well. I guess right now some students just left the meeting. 26 to 28 students got a chance to speak today. I tried my best to ask, but some were on mute. I cannot help them out. But please practice for part 1. Okay? Instead of saying very good, really good, try to replace this with a vocab. अगर आपके पास vocab है, please वेरी के बिना अपने आंसर्स को क्रिएट करना स्टार्ट करो, डेवलप करना स्टार्ट करो. एग्जामिनर विल डेफिनेटली इंक्रीज योर बैंड स्कोर. उसको कोई चांस ही नहीं मिलेगा. When we are speaking now, we actually think that how this person, how this student is speaking, how we can just decrease the band score or increase it. We keep on thinking that is the student, he did some mistake or he did not. So you should not let, I'm telling you the point of view of examiner. Whenever a student speaks in front of us, we basically focus on how the vocabulary, because parameters kya hai? The parameter is fluency, coherence, pronunciation, grammatical structure, and your lexical resource. So when you are adding all these 4 things, he will not have a chance to drop down your score. Who is Jap Simrat? Writing के बारे में पूछना है. Yes, आप देखो, there are 2 options to upload your writing. Either you want to get evaluated by me, you have to submit to the shop section. Shop section में जाकर आप upload कर सकते हो. It will cost you some amount. I'm not sure what the amount is. But अगर आपको AI के through check करानी है, then also you can do it.
मैम
Yes, yes, Arshit.
मैम I face problem in reading, especially to scan the answer. Like uh like I only can't find the answer in the passage 3, like the MCQ questions, because they mention that what do you find in the first paragraph, something like that. But in other passages and other questions, I have this problem that if I can't find the location of the answer, I can't find the answer. Like my biggest problem is scanning, I guess.
So scanning is really easy. You need to find with that particular keyword. How many tests do you practice in a day for reading?
Ma'am, one
The
one
entire
test.
reading? The entire
Yes, ma'am.
module of reading or only the sections?
No, ma'am, entire.
तो वो नहीं करना. If you're
Okay.
facing difficulty with the level of section 3, Harshit, please try only section 3. Do not do, because what happens is with our mind is we are already done with section 1, section 2, and when it comes to section 3, we are totally exhausted. So practice this strategy that I will start with section 3 first. Section 3 करो सबसे पहले. You can do vice versa. It is not required कि आपको एग्जाम में सेक्शन 1 और सेक्शन 2 ही पहले करना है, then section 3. आप सेक्शन 3 से अपनी स्ट्रैटेजी बनाओ. Animesh is not present, otherwise Animesh could done section 1 in hardly, I believe, 7 to 10 minutes. So what you can do is, if you believe that my section 1 and section 2 are strong, I'm not good with section 3, practice section 3 first. सेक्शन 3 सबसे पहले अपना स्ट्रॉन्ग करो, उसे प्रैक्टिस करो, देन मूव टू सेक्शन 1 एंड 2. अभी कुछ दिन के लिए सिर्फ और सिर्फ सेक्शन 3 करो. सेक्शन 1 और 2 को करो ही मत, एंटायर टेस्ट मत करो. Once you believe that I'm good with section 3, then move to 2 and 1.
मैम मेरा क्वेश्चन मैम ये मैम मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था कि जैसे कि जो सेक्शन 3 है, पैसेज 3, मैम उसमें मेरे को लोकेशन तो पता रहता है क्योंकि एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस में उन्होंने बोला होता है कि व्हाट द राइटर वांट
I
टू
got
से
it.
अबाउट.
Yes, the only
तो
thing
मैम
is you're not
उसको
able to find.
नो मैम इसको छोड़ के ना मैम जो पैसेज 1 और 2 है मैम उसमें मेरे को लोकेशन नहीं मिलता मैम.
Passage 1 और
कहने
2 में लोकेशन नहीं मिल रहा.
yes मैम. मैम most of the question I find the location, but there are few question in every test that I can't find the location.
But why is it
क्वेश्चन
so?
टाइप कौन सा है?
Why is it so? Yeah.
मैम क्वेश्चन टाइप तो मैम मिक्स ही है मैम. जैसे कि कभी कभी एक दो क्वेश्चन समरी में नहीं मिलते, एक दो क्वेश्चन ट्रू फॉल्स नॉट गिवन में नहीं मिलते मैम.
ये ट्रू
Should not
फॉल्स
be the
नॉट
case,
क्यों?
Harshit. It should not be the case because you will always find something related to that. Maybe you are lagging with paraphrasing technique that you're not able to get that. Because it can never be the case that you're not able to identify where the exact answer is. Either you're not understanding the question properly, because if you're not understanding the question problem, then it can be the scenario that you're not able to find the location of the answer.
Okay.
Focus on
But
question more, because only the question will help you in locating the answer,
Yes,
where
ma'am.
the exact location is. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
मैम मुझे ना रीडिंग में जस्ट फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स तो कर लेती हूँ, बाकी लाइक ट्रू फॉल्स हो गए और एमसीक्यू ये सब नहीं मुझसे हो पाता.
So just जब सिमरत, what you need to is, because देखो अभी तो what you can do is either you can watch reading के sessions or you have to wait for reading module to start. ठीक है? Got it?
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, Raghav.
मैम आई वांट टू स्पीक लाइक कि जब पार्ट 1 कर रहा हूँ इस पे रीडिंग का, सो लाइक उसमें पार्ट 1 में 20 कभी 22-23 मिनट्स जा रहा है, तो पहले उसका ही टाइम कम करूँ ना, देन
Part
ट्रांसफर टू पार्ट.
timing you're talking about 20 to
या
23. Yes, yes. उसे
यस मैम.
choose करो. Yes. It
यस
should
मैम.
be less than 20 minutes. Okay?
ओके मैम.
It should always
ओके
be
मैम.
less than 20 minutes. Make sure
मैम
that you're
पार्ट
doing, if it is 13 questions per section, you should do it within 13. Try to
ओके मैम.
strategize yourself that you should do it 13 minutes only. ठीक है?
ओके मैम.
Yes.
और मैम राइटिंग में प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी राइटिंग टास्क 1 में. सो राइटिंग टास्क 1 में मैम अभी जो स्कोर दिखा रहा है एआई से वो 6.5, तो प्रॉब्लम आ रही है लाइक मैम आर्टिकल्स की आ रही है मोस्टली. हर जगह स्ट्रक्चर पता है मैम, आपकी रिकॉर्डिंग वीडियो देखी थी तो स्ट्रक्चर पता चल गया कैसे लिखना है, कहाँ पर ज्यादा ध्यान देना है, लेकिन जो गलती हो रही है मुझे लग रहा है कि ग्रामर में हर बार कट रहा है, वो
So
आर्टिकल की
आगे
प्रॉब्लम हो रही है.
एक ऑप्शन
सेम
आपके
है मैम,
पास है.
सेम विद मी.
अभी कुशल ने भी कल कुशल अवेलेबल है या ही इज. अभी कुशल ने भी कल राइटिंग अपनी सबमिट करी है, पार्ट 1 एंड पार्ट 2 बोथ टास्क की सबमिट करी है. व्हाट यू कैन डू इज, एंड इवन आई हैव इवैल्यूएटेड इट, he knows the feedback that he needs to work on. The same thing you can do is that you can submit your writing with an examiner. Once it will be
ओके मैम.
to me, I'm going to evaluate and will share the feedback. ठीक है? अगर आपको
ओके
लग रहा
मैम.
है
ओके
कि
मैम.
AI पे 6.5 बस इतना ही आ रहा है, एक बार ड्रॉप इट टू मी, आई विल चेक. ठीक है?
ओके मैम. ओके मैम. मैम सो लाइक आर्टिकल वाली प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, ये दा वाली या छोटी छोटी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, पहले उसकी थोड़ी एक्सरसाइज कर लेता ना, लाइक फिर
बिल्कुल.
सबमिट करूँ.
यस,
हाँ
बिल्कुल, यू कैन. ठीक है?
Ma'am,
मैम लिसनिंग.
यस, लिसनिंग.
ma'am, actually it is difference between the AI and
I told you
teaching.
it's a big difference between AI and the exam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
In task one, it gave me really like 6.5. But when you are evaluating my task one and task two response, I opened my eyes. Then I realized how much I got.
Yes. So what he did is you dropped the same answer to the AI, right? And
Yes,
you
ma'am.
dropped the same answer to me. And
Yes,
how
ma'am.
much score he got?
Ma'am, I got in AI part one. I got 6.5, ma'am.
But here he got 5.5, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And task 2 was
And
6, according to
yes, ma'am.
me.
Even task two, I got task response. I got 6.5, but remaining 6. But part one, there is huge difference between you and AI, ma'am.
Yes. Because when we evaluate every sentence what you have written according to the all parameters of writing. Okay?
And one more
AI is
one more
helpful. AI is helpful, but AI cannot replace me, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And one more difference is that once I upload one question and again I corrected and I upload again that corrected other sentence. Means at a time AI did not correct all sentence.
Yes, yes, exactly. Because it is AI now. It's not the teacher, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is why I'm suggesting, because I know that who are actually practicing every day. That's why I suggest them to upload their writings to the examiner so that they can have their actual score. Because if you keep on trusting every time कि नहीं 6.5 आ रहा है, I can go for that, sometime try with the teacher also. ठीक है? So that you can know the difference and you can practice more according to your exam. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes,
मैम
Muskan.
राइटिंग में
Yes,
मैम
Muskan.
राइटिंग में जैसे राइटिंग में मैम कोई भी टॉपिक हो उसके अकॉर्डिंग आइडिया जनरेट करने में मैम हाउ कैन सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम
Muskan, I'm really sorry, but you have to go to the session. I cannot tell you how to generate ideas in 5 minutes. Please look at the writing का section. Writing के module सारी classes given है application में भी, playlist में भी, YouTube में आप check कर सकते हो. ठीक है?
ओके मैम मैम
मैम एक
गूगल से
क्वेश्चन
मतलब
था
कोई भी टॉपिक के अकॉर्डिंग हम चेक कर सकते हैं पॉइंट्स वगैरह कुछ अगर
No, I should not advise that. Either you are reading something, always make a habit that you are reading something for 15 minutes. That will always help you in your idea generation. Because when you have a vast knowledge, you read every day, that will give you the idea how to generate कि क्या हम और इसके बारे में बात कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, but not Google, because Google will not help you out in your exam. If you have a different topic, you did not came across the entire preparation time of your IELTS, you did not came across that topic, but in exam if you got that topic, who will help you out? ठीक है?
ओके मैम
Yes. Yes, Asad.
मैम वो एक लिसनिंग में क्वेश्चन था जिसमें 35 वीक्स पहले बोला कि 5 वीक्स फिर उसके बाद बोला कि मतलब और ऐड किया कि 15 वीक्स फिर एंड पे बोला कि टोटल 20 वीक्स लेकिन जब आंसर था ना तो इधर था कि 5 मंथ्स लिखना था फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स में
You can share
तो
that
क्या हम
test with
student
me. I will check, Asad. Test number पता है आपको?
मैम बेबी कोड नहीं था वो और ऐड थी एक इस पे
हाँ, तो you need to check कौन सा टेस्ट था, वो आपको दिखाना पड़ेगा. ऐसे I have no idea. मुझे हर टेस्ट के आंसर्स के बारे में तो नहीं पता ना. Okay.
लेकिन वो
Anybody else? कोई
अप्रोक्सीमेटली
और
मैंने
doubt, कोई और query? Please let me know. Because tomorrow we will be starting with the part 2. Q का topic कल हम करने वाले हैं. The 2 new students, Huda and one more. अच्छा, असद तो second है. ठीक है. As you joined us today, I really want to tell you that you can start practicing part 1 of your speaking from the application. Plus, you can check the classes section. Classes में there are already scheduled classes. Click on the remind me button for all of the next classes, so that you are aware. जब भी 9 o'clock class start होगी, you will get a reminder and you will not forget your any class. किसी का भी एग्जाम अगर नियर बाय है, you can try the baby code visa services. It's going to start from 1st of August. You can drop your query. They will help you out with the list of options, exam booking, each and everything. But please do not forget to practice part 1 of speaking. Application से करना ही करना है part 1. Because tomorrow we will start from part 2. तो ऐसा ना हो कि part 1 की practice आप ना करो. ठीक है, किसी को भी अगर ज्वाइन करनी है क्लासेस, लेट देम नो पार्ट 2 स्टार्ट होने वाला है. देन अगर बिगनिंग में से ज्वाइन करते हो, इट्स रियली डिफिकल्ट. अगर ऐसे आके कोई क्वेश्चन पूछेगा मैम पार्ट 2 कैसे करना है पार्ट 1, डू यू थिंक जिसके लिए हम 5 सेशंस कर रहे हैं, क्या वो हम 5 मिनट्स में आपको बता सकते हैं कि पार्ट 1 कैसे प्लान करना है? नो, देयर आर वेरी माइनर डिटेल्स. I cannot tell you that in just 5 minutes. If I would have done this, I would be creating lots of stories on Instagram, just 5 minutes ka tip and tricks. But that does not work out. ठीक है?
Yes.
So we will be meeting now tomorrow. Bye-bye. Take care all of you. See you.
Thank
Bye,
you, ma'am.
ma'am. Bye.
Take care, ma'am. Bye.
See you
Um,
tomorrow.
ma'am, my
Yes,
exam is
Peter.
right now.
Leave the meeting and join back again. Okay?
Okay.